Good morning, students. Dear students, now today I am going to give the revision class for the chapter hydrogen. Hydrogen, which is represented by H, it is the first member of the modern periodic table and it exists in the H2 form. Now here I am going to explain about the preparation of the hydrogen. This different method of the preparation of hydrogen we will see here. I have written some points for you. First, we will prepare the hydrogen with the water. Water which can react with the metal to give the hydrogen and some another product also. Different kinds of metals are giving the reactions with the water in the different condition. For example, some molecule, some metals are giving the reaction with the cold water, some are giving the reaction with the hot water, and some metals are giving the reaction with the steam. For example, sodium, potassium, and calcium, they are giving the reaction with the cold water. Magnesium, which can give the reaction with the hot water to form the hydrogen. Aluminium, zinc, and iron. These three metals are giving the reaction with the steam, and they will give the different kinds of product. We will see one by one. First, reaction of metals with cold water. So sodium or potassium, suppose potassium which can react with water to give the KOH plus hydrogen gas will prepare. Hydrogen gas will produce here. If you want, then you can write the balance reaction from here. Now this is 2 and this is balance. This is potassium hydroxide, alkali. Alkali means water soluble base. That is why, suppose same reaction you will do in the test tube, means here you have taken water and when you will add potassium, then what will happen? The gas hydrogen gas will produce, which will give the pop sound, with the burning flame, and this solution become alkali. That is what will form here? KOH, potassium hydroxide. This is alkali. It is alkali. So if it is alkali, then as you are knowing that alkali means water soluble base. When you will bring the red litmus paper on the mouth of the test tube, then red litmus paper will turn into blue, which means this changes indicate the basic nature of the solution. This is clear, my dear? Now, same condition we will get when sodium will react with water molecule. Sodium, so 2NaOH plus hydrogen gas will prepare. And same reaction means alkali will form with one more metal, calcium. So what is the calcium? Ca, which will react with water to convert into calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Now please write the balance reaction, my dear. So how will you write? This is 2 2s of 4 hydrogen. Now these all are alkali. So all will give the same condition, same taste with the red litmus paper. This is clear? Now this is the first method. Second, reaction of water with magnesium. That is which water? Hot water. Which water, my dear? Hot water with magnesium. So magnesium which will react with hot water to give magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice plus hydrogen gas will prepare during this process. This is clear, my dear? So this magnesium is the element which will give the reaction with the hot water. Now reaction with steam. Reaction of metals with steam. Dear students, if we will discuss about the aluminum, which will give the reaction with the water in which form? Steam form. Then what will form? Then it will form the oxide of metal, Al2O3 plus hydrogen. Hydrogen gas will prepare during the process. And if you want to write the balance equation, then this is 3 and this is not 3. This is 2 aluminum. Now 2 aluminum, if it is 3, then Al2O3 plus 3 to the 6 hydrogen present here. This is the aluminum oxide of metal. As you are knowing that metal oxides are basic in nature, but some metal oxides are amphoteric in nature, like aluminum oxide, zinc oxide. They are amphoteric in nature. So this aluminum oxide will show the acidic as well as basic both nature. Now zinc. See, this is the steam. Now if you will take zinc plus H2O, this H2O should be steam because it will not give the reaction with the either with the cold water or hot water. It will give the reaction with the steam. So it will convert into ZnO plus H2. Hydrogen gas will prepare. And very important reaction for you with the ion Fe which will react with the steam, that is H2O steam. Then you will get reversible reaction which can proceed in the both direction. So you will get here Fe3O4 plus H2. Please write the balance reaction, my dear. How many oxygen there? 4 oxygen. How many? See, Fe3O4 will form and here 4 oxygen. So you will write 4 to the 8. This is 4 hydrogen. Is it clear? And this is 3 Fe. This is ferric oxide. Here I am presenting plus 3 oxidation state. And this reaction is reversible in nature. Means it can proceed in the forward as well as backward direction. So this very important questions you are getting from here, in which one I am going to tell. What is the reason to remove the produced amount of hydrogen during the reaction of the ion with the steam? Means why we have to remove the hydrogen during this process? Prepared hydrogen. Dear students, if you will not prepare, then what will happen? Then this reaction will come back in the backward direction. That is why it is need to remove the prepared amount of hydrogen during this process. This is clear? So this is the whole information about the formation of the hydrogen by the reaction of the different kinds of metal in the different conditions, like sodium. See once again, sodium, potassium and calcium. Sodium, potassium and calcium, these all are giving the reaction with the cold water, and with the hot water. Magnesium is giving the reaction with the steam. Aluminum, zinc and iron are giving, and these elements are giving the reaction with the steam. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.